Hello guys, it's Tyler here from the Fortnite Nights, and hope you guys had a Happy New Year. And today in this video, as you know, I'm wearing there's a new style about me. But anyways, today in this video I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to play a standard game of billiards. Well, first of all, let's go into how it's played. How you play it, you have to break it with the solid white ball, as you can see here, and you have to line it up exactly with the other balls in order to break it. And well, since the camera's in the way, I'm actually going to be breaking it from here, so it's not a big issue from the camera. But let me show you how you do it. You break it like this. You have your stick in hand, and then you smack it and you break it, and if, as you guys just saw there, when this ball right here goes into, like, take for example like there, then that's a scratch. And let me tell you what a scratch is real quick. A scratch is when a player, if you're going against another player, goes into here on your turn, and then the other player has his turn, and you have to place it like around here. And you have to hit it forward or otherwise, and if you don't do that, then that's cheating. And basically, a standard game is what we call stripes and solids. So for stripes and solids, what you do, on your turn when you break, if you hit in a solid first, then you go solids and the other player goes to stripes. And basically what you do is that you hit in your ball, your type of ball, stripe or solid, and you guys take turns for your group. Like, take for example, if you have stripes, you have to hit in stripes, and if you miss, then it's the player's turn. But if you hit in a ball, then you keep going until you miss one of your balls. And then after that, near the end, once you have all your stripes in, you have to hit in this 8-ball. And once you hit in the 8-ball at the end, then you win. And yeah, that's a standard how-to basic on how to play billiards. Hope you liked the video, guys. Hope you had a Happy New Year. Smash that like button, sub with notifications for more videos, and comment down below if you've ever played billiards. And yeah, see you next time, boys. Bye!